If your knuckles sound like bubble wrap, relax. You're not destroying your skeleton. That loud pop isn't bones grinding. It's gas bubbles snapping inside your joint fluid. Like opening a tiny soda can in your finger. Good news, cracking your knuckles does not cause arthritis. One doctor cracked one hand for 60 years and left the other alone. Same results. Zero villain origin story. But if you're doing it non-stop, it could mean stiffness, stress, or you just need to move. Your joints want stretching, not a finger demolition derby. And that feeling? Just pressure release. Not healing. Not lubrication. Just a reset sound effect. So crack if you want. Just don't yank your fingers like you're trying to start a lawnmower. If you cracked your knuckles during this video, like, subscribe, and tell me the next body myth to bust.